Hello. So today I am actually taping early because I wanted to make sure that I was able to celebrate our entire emergency management services crew. We have the largest ground transport crew in South Jersey, and we're so very proud of the critical work they do. First on the scene, ready to respond, and we certainly saw that over in COVID, just like everybody else. They had to go into areas that they didn't understand what they were walking into, but there they were ready on the spot. So as we celebrate EMS week this week, I want to make sure I got my message out for my tremendous gratitude on behalf of the entire Inspira family for all you do and how you support our community. I also, of course, want to take an opportunity to remind you that our vaccine hours have changed and that we are continuing to pivot. We did 4 schools this week. We're doing PopUp Clinics in Bridgeton and Woodbury on May 26th, 9 to 5. You can walk in, you can schedule before, whatever works for you. But most importantly, I want you to hear that they're there. I know the mask issues continue to be questioned, but what really, I think the incentive is for people that if you've been vaccinated, then all of this freedom can come with it as part of that vaccine, and that's really what we're trying to help people understand. In addition, let me just remind you, if you do have questions, I really would encourage you to reach out to us at our 800 number. We can connect you with a primary care physician, and your questions indeed can be answered. Also, that we provide information on our website, but I also just think it's important to make sure you're talking to your healthcare provider to ask these questions. We know this virus will continue to change, and so having that dialogue now perhaps could help you for later. We are entering that time of year. It's been 2 90-degree days almost, and so this is a very important time to just remember, right? Skin cancer can happen at any point in your life. I remember as a teenager, we did oil and lemon in the hair and all those things, all of which are terrible for you. And so really making sure that you're using the SPF that is indeed required for your skin, being checked by your physician. If you have a mole or a darker area that changes size or scope, what we know is that getting skin cancer, being able to identify it early is the key to prevention and long-term prevention. Now, some may say, oh, but I just had to get it scraped off. Let me tell you, when it moves from Mohs surgery to a melanoma treatment, it's a whole different ballgame. So please make sure that you're attending to that. I also want to give a huge shout out to folks who win both statewide as well as national awards. So today, I want to congratulate Julie Powers, who was recognized as the Nurse Leader of the Year. This is a national award, and we are so very proud of all of the great work that she does. Also, Barbara Conicello was recognized by the New Jersey State Emergency Nurses Association. She received the President's Award. So that's in addition to the work that she does with us every day and gives her all, she also gives to the association to make sure that the emergency room nurses across the state have the benefit of her expertise. So to Julie and Barbara, we're so proud of both of you. We're so grateful for the work that you do. And thank you for continuing to demonstrate the talent that we have at Inspira and receiving the national recognition and statewide recognition that you did. So lastly, huge shout out to the Inspira Foundation. We had our golf classic at Tavistock this week. We had a beautiful day. Gary Galloway, our chairman, and all of the foundation staff worked so hard to put on just such a wonderful event. We were sold out. And just a huge shout out to all of our donors. Archer Law was our lead donor. And we had actually sold out in sponsors as well as sold out in golfers. I didn't hit him as well as I could have, but my guess is that helps my board chair remember how hard I'm working. So until we meet again, I would encourage you to be well and stay safe. Thank you.